Welcome to your Jetpack battery-powered electrostatic backpack sprayer. Let's get you set up. Step number 1. Unboxing. Unbox your Jetpack and unwrap it. Carefully open the Jetpack box and lay out all accessories. Step number 2. Register and review the operator's manual. Register your Jetpack at bioplanet.com, then review the operator's manual to familiarize yourself with the Jetpack and its accessories. Step number 3. Insert disinfectant. Place your disinfectant in the back, insert the liquid line, and screw on the cap. Step 4. Attaching the grounding tether. Attach the tether to the bottom of the Jetpack by pressing the female fabric snap on the tether onto the male snap on the base of the Jetpack. This tether grounds the electrostatic charge and is required for the Jetpack to operate safely. Step 5. Charging the battery. Charge the battery fully before first using the Jetpack. Ensure the on-off switch on the side is in the off position. Plug the battery into the AC charger and the AC charger into any standard 110-volt wall outlet. The AC charger's LED charge indicator light will be red when the battery is charging and will turn green when the battery is fully charged. 4 LED lights on the battery will illuminate to show a rough estimated power level when you press the charge indicator button. Step 6. Attaching the harness. Using a Phillips screwdriver, thread the screw in the upper part of the harness into one of the 2 adjustable upper harness locations. The upper pad should be secured once the screw is firmly tightened into position. Attach the lower part of the harness, also using a Phillips screwdriver, to thread the lower attachment bolts into the lower backplate. Please do not use any additional assembly compounds such as Loctite or grease. Step 7. Insert the battery. Now that the battery is fully charged, make sure the battery is on using the switch on the side of the battery. Insert it into the back of the Jetpack, confirming the Align for Installation stickers on the battery and Jetpack are indeed aligned. Step 8. Wearing the Jetpack and adjusting the harness. Loosen the shoulder straps and waist belt. Lift the backpack and slide your arms through the straps. Connect the waist strap, tighten the waist belt. It is very important that the weight of the unit be concentrated on your hips rather than your shoulders. Adjust the shoulder straps so that the unit fits comfortably, but the weight is still concentrated on your hips. This will help with fatigue and prevent strain. Connect the sternum straps. Slide the buckle up or down the strap for best fit. Step number 9. Power on and operate. With the wand firmly in hand, press and release the main power button. Point the spray end at the intended target and press and release the trigger button. At a distance of 2 to 3 feet, using a slow sweeping motion, move the wand purposefully, following the outline of the objects you wish to cover. It is not necessary to saturate the surface of what you are cleaning or cover all sides of what you are cleaning. Because the Jetpack uses induction-charged electrostatic technology, the chemistry will distribute evenly and completely, wrapping around objects like table legs, support bars, and chair arms. Step number 10. Clean and store the Jetpack. Use about 12 ounces of clean water and run the unit, allowing the fluid to purge all chemistry from the lines. Wipe down the wand tip with a damp cloth. Remove the battery and turn off the switch. Then, store the Jetpack and battery indoors in a cool and dry location.